What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany Jasmine. Alright, before we get into this video, don't forget to show your girl some love and hit the subscribe button. Alright, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I want to start getting into doing hair tutorials more and just learning new techniques on how to do my own hair, because I want to kind of venture out and try new things with my hair and just, I don't know, just try new hairstyles. I'm just really sick of my hair. This is my natural curly hair when it's fully dry. I really like it, but honestly I just really don't know how to style it that great. But I've been really wanting to try the high pony hairstyle, like the high ponytail, slick back high ponytail. And I had some old extensions that I actually turned into like a fake ponytail kind of thing, but it is real human hair. So what I basically did is these are doubled, the tracks are doubled. So I basically I sewed a bunch of wefts into one really long one. And at the end I have a needle. This is just like a curved needle and a weaving thread. So this is the thread that I used. I think I bought it from Sally's Beauty Supply, and I used it when my mom installed my weaves because I just bought the hair. So this is really old hair. I think I got this I don't know, I want to say maybe 2 years ago. It is kind of stringy. I don't know why, but we'll brush it out after the ponytail is in. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put this hair aside and I'm going to be slicking up my hair. So I didn't straighten or do anything to my hair for that reason. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be needing a few things for this part. So you're going to need a hair tie, and you're also going to need some mini rubber hair ties like this. And you're going to need just a comb, anything that's going to help slick your hair back into a high ponytail. And for me, I'm using this one. This is like a teasing comb, I think. This is the Goody brand. So this is my favorite go-to comb when it comes to having really slick back hairstyles. And another thing you're going to need is a really good holding hairspray or gel. For me, I'm using the Got2b Glued Blasting Free Spray. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of put all my hair back. And my hair is pretty thick when it's curly, and I really don't know. I don't know, I kind of really like this curly hair, huh? It looks good. I don't know. Okay. So I'm going to slick my hair back, and you don't gotta worry if your hair is really curly like this. It's gonna be under this hair, the fake hair. So if you have any kind of wefts or anything left over, maybe from a previous hairstyle you have, that would work. I don't know, I just seen this on a video, so I wanted to try it out. So we're going to be braiding this up, so you don't need to worry if your hair is curly and textured or not the same texture as your extensions. So I'm just going to lift all of my hair up, and I'm going to kind of put it kind of on top, not really behind, because I really like the look of it being right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my comb and I'm just going to slick all of this hair back first before I spray it. So I'm just going to slick all the hair up first before I spray it with any hairspray. Because I want this ponytail to be super slayed. Next, I'm going to grab my hairspray and spray all around my hair. Then I'm taking my comb and combing it over because my hair is super frizzy and I want all the little frizz and flyaways to be tamed. I'm going to do it one more time. This is a lot of work.
2,000 years later.
Alright, now I'm going to be spraying the back.
Every day and every night, every night. Is this love, is this love, is this love?
So I want it about right here. So I'm just going to tie the ponytail really, really tight because I don't want it to come loose during the process. Oh my god, you guys, my arms are so freaking sore. Oh, something's hurting me.
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Alright, so now that we have our hair laid down nice and smooth, we're going to be taking the rest of our hair and we're going to be putting it into a braid. One simple braid. And then we're going to be tying it with a rubber band.
Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling?
Alright, so we have a little braid. It looks so funny on me. Wow, that looks super funny.
Okay.
So we're going to be taking the needle and thread end. So basically I just tied it on to the end of this weft. And I think I sewed a few together because they were previously cut. So I had to literally like customize it again. And just, I wanted to just try it out and reuse this old hair and see if it worked out. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting this needle right through the hair, but I'm putting mine above the hair tie, the rubber band, and then I'm gonna be going back through the rubber band on the other side and then kind of going through the end of the weft. So it kind of just creates a little tie where you can secure it. And then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to tie a knot into this. I'm just going to tie one knot because I don't want it to be too secure because I'm probably not going to be wearing this hairstyle very long, just for the video. And I'm going to snip it. And yes, I did snip that with cuticle nippers because that's all I have on hand right now. So now that's tied, we're basically just going to be wrapping this hair around. So I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. I'm just going with it. So I'm just going to be wrapping this all around the braid till we get to the top. And then I'm guessing that's where we're going to be securing it.
I wanna go.
Alright, so now that I'm at the top, I'm going to pin it in with a few bobby pins, just so it's a little bit more secure. So I'm just going to put it over the weft, and then I'm pinning it kind of towards my ponytail. So I'm just focusing on the end first. And then I'm going to go in on the side and then pin that in as well. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of comb it out and see how it looks. Obviously this hair is like super old, so I'm not expecting much from it. Maybe I need to wash it because it does look quite like greasy. Oh my god, look how long this is.
Damn!
So basically I'm just trying to position it in the middle, and then I'm gonna take maybe about that much hair from the end of the weft that I just pinned down, and I'm gonna be wrapping this around the ponytail. So I basically just sprayed it with the hairspray to make it nice and flat, and then I'm going to be wrapping this around the ponytail. And then I'm going to be pinning the end of that little hair piece down with another bobby pin. Alright, so I'm just going to be combing this out with my little teasing comb because I find it works way better than a regular comb. Ew, my braid feels so weird inside. It's like, I don't know, it feels fucking weird though. Oh my god, this hair is so long, and it's long because we started down here with the extensions and then we went all the way up, so it makes the illusion that it's like a super long pony, which I love. I am super in love with this ponytail, you guys. And you can literally like move it any direction you want. You can curl it, style it any way you want. I think I'm just gonna, I don't know, leave it straight. I find it looks more, like a little bit more sexy. What do you think, you guys? This is the finished look that literally only took me like half an hour, not even half an hour, like 20 minutes. It is super cute, you guys. Like, look how cute this hairstyle is. It's so bougie. Like, look at that. Inches, honey. This literally looks like it's like 30 inches. Like, are you kidding me? Like, what? You know I'm gonna be rocking this hair. I don't know where though. I ain't got nowhere to go. But it's super cute. Love it. So there you have it, you guys. Everything that I used in this video, I will have it listed down below in the description box, as well as this hair. I think I got this hair from AliExpress, but I will have that link down in the description box for you as well. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Leave your girl some love. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button if you want to stay up to date on all my videos. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page and Snapchat. That will be listed down below as well. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys. Slay, slay, slay. Just kidding. That bitch is feeling real cute right now. Like, oh my god.
With